Hello guys, you are with the Tech Science, and today we are discussing a new point, sign convention for the refraction of light. It is also called as Cartesian sign convention, basically for the lens. As we know that lenses are basically divided in two parts. The first is called concave lens and second is called as the convex lens. So if you have to find out what is the answer for a given numerical, basically the sign conventions are used to give the sign whenever you have to take negative sign, whenever you have to exactly at what place you have to take positive, and so on. What about the focal length, when it is negative, when it is positive, the distance of the object you have to take as a negative or positive. The student gets some kind of confusion here. So to avoid this confusion, we have this point. It is called sign convention for the lenses. Maybe it is called refraction. Of course, in the lens there is a refraction of light occurs, and as an example, as a frame of reference, we take as a convex lens as an example. You may take convex also, it doesn't matter. So in case of the sign convention, it is also called as new Cartesian sign convention. Okay, so basically we start with the first thing. What about the origin? Which point you have to consider as the origin. So here O, what is this O? This is nothing but the optical center. Remember, O stand for the optical center, and this optical center is nothing but the center point, that is called the midpoint of the lens, where when the light ray get incident and it is passed through optical center without deviation, without changing the path, it travel in a straight line. This is only the point, and that point is called as the optical center of the lens. So as an origin, what about the origin? As an origin, you have to consider here main point from where you have to measure all the things. So as an origin, you have to consider as a optical center. Next, what about the frame of reference x dash x? X dash x, nothing but a straight line which is passing through center of curvature, both the center of curvature and through the optical center. This imaginary straight line, it is called as the principal axis, and we take the principal axis as a x axis. And now from onwards we have some of the different points are there. Second point regarding the position of the object. Position of the object. What about the position of the object? The object is always placed at left hand side of the lens. The object is always placed on left hand side of the lens. That is what the second sign convention used for the lenses. So you have to take object here, somewhere here, that is in front of this. That is called left hand side of the lens. What about the third convention? Third convention is regarding the distance. What about distance? Suppose you have to measure the distance. From which point you have to consider? From the optical center you have to measure the distance, either from left hand side, either as on the right hand side. It is nothing but you have to calculate the distance either in upward direction, either in downward direction. So optical center is the base for all these. What about the distances which are at the different position, at different side? We can say that. How? For example, all the distances on the left hand side of the lens, they are considered as a negative, and all the distances towards the right hand side of the lens, they are considered as a positive. This is what the thing regarding the sign convention of the spherical lenses. What about the height of the object? This is the fifth point. What about the height? We can say that the distance which is perpendicular to and above, it is called height, which is perpendicular to this principal axis and above, they are considered as a positive. And all the distances which is perpendicular to and below, it is called as the height, they all are considered as a negative. This is what the next sign convention for the refraction of light. Next one, last one. What about the focal length? What about the focal length? If you observe the convex lens having one more name. What is that? It is called converging lens. Why it is called converging lens? Now see. So suppose this is what the convex lens. This is the principal axis. This is the optical center, and all distances, all the light rays which are parallel to this principal axis, when they travel through this lens, they get converged, and after converging they meet at a point somewhere on the principal axis, and this is what called the principal focus. This is called the principal focus. So if you observe, what about the principal focus of the convex lens? If it is at the right hand side, then it is a positive. That's why the focal length of the convex lens is always positive. What about the concave lens? Remember, now observe, this is what the concave lens. This is what the concave lens. Now you also clear one more point here, why the concave lens is called as the diverging lens. When the light rays which are incident on this concave lens, now they get diverged from here only, like this. They get diverged, and suppose we want to meet them at any point, then you have to make the dotted line. So they are appear to be meet. Which point are they? They are appear to be meet somewhere on this principal axis. It is called principal focus, and these are appear to be meet. It is in imagination. So if you observe, it is on the left hand side of the lens. If it is on the left hand side, then the focal length of concave lens is always as a negative. So these are some of the sign convention basically designed for the refraction of light, also called as the lenses. Regarding optical center is considered as the origin, position of the object, all the all the objects are always kept left hand side of the lens. Distances are measured always from the optical center. Different side, the distances toward the left hand side of the convex lens, they are always negative, and distance toward the right hand side of the lenses are considered as a positive. What about the height? The distance perpendicular to and above the principal axis, they are considered as a positive. Means height of the object towards the from above the principal axis, it is considered as a positive, and distances which is perpendicular to and below the convex lens or below the principal axis, below the principal axis, means in short height, it is considered as a negative, and focal length of convex lens is always positive, whereas the focal length of concave lens is always negative. So these are the sign convention basically designed for as a new Cartesian sign convention for the lenses, and these are basically used to solve the numerical. I hope you understood this point. Okay, so if you understood this point, please subscribe the channel, and for the new notification you have to press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.